If you want to delete a text message on your iPhone, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Messages app and select any contact. Now from here, just tap and hold on the message which you want to delete. Now from this pop-up menu, just select More. And after you do that, you will select the specific message. Now from here, just select all the other messages which you want to delete. For an example, I will select all these messages. Now from here, just tap on the bin icon at the bottom of the screen. Then select Delete. And after you do that, you will delete the specific messages. But if you want to delete the whole chat, just go back and swipe to the left side on the chat which you want to delete. Then tap on the bin icon and select Delete. And after you do that, you will completely delete the whole chat from your iPhone. Now, after you've done that, now just tap on the three lines over here and select Recently Deleted. Now from here, just select the messages which you want to permanently delete. Then tap on the bin icon over here. Select Delete. And after you do that, you will completely delete the messages from your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can delete text messages on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.